Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to start the module of the wheel rim of BMW M5. In this video I am going to tell how to design one of the best model of BMW M5 wheel rim. Let's see. First of all I am just select the front plane. After taking the front plane you have to draw the line. Okay, first of all the origin point, so you have to take this center line and this line up 200 mm, this line up to the distance between this line and this line is 200 mm. Okay, after that you have to draw these lines. I have already computed this. I'll show you how to draw this. Then after that you have to, first of all you have to start with here this center line. You go to the line command, okay, and select line from here to here to here to here, here, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side. Okay, and after this you have to dimension these lines. This dimension 7.90, this dimension from here to here 20, here 12, and this dimension is 55 from here to here, and this dimension is 15, and as same as on this side opposite to. After that you have to revolve this feature. I'll show you the isometric part to revolve this feature. After revolving this you have to see what type of figure, this type of create. After you have to draw another things, go to the this view. First of all you have to select the circle, okay, of diameter 389 mm, okay, 389 mm. Then you have to draw, first of all you have to draw this, okay, this type of sketch on the outer rim of the wheel. Then the distance between from these point to this point is the half distance of this 12.52, okay, and the distance between these from these is 116. And then you have to cut the extrude feature. I will show you how to cut this feature. First of all you have to cut extrude cut feature from blind direction 1 only, it is 4 mm, okay. Then select OK, done. Then this type, you see this type of design on this outer rim. After that revolve command we have to complete. First of all sketch, see, you have to draw this line in this way. First of all you have to select the center line. After the center line you have to choose some line from here. The distance between these line and these line is shown here, okay, and you have to select the spline command to mark this line, okay. The distance from these lines, these spline command and this spline command is 77, let's see, 77.25, and the dimension of this is 213.36, and this dimension is 163.46.